Hello, everyone. My name is John Thrower. I'm your professor for HUM 121, which is Peace Studies. I wanted to send a little welcome video and get you started in the course. So this is what your course looks like in Blackboard. And if you scroll down, you see some basic information that you probably will see in your other classes. The quick introduction to Blackboard, BrainFuse, Bluegrass, which is a online tutoring support, should you need tutoring support, and then Start Here. And Start Here provides an introduction to the course, the syllabus, resources, introduction to your professor, etc. It's very important that you go into Start Here and that you read all of the information about the course. Especially true of the syllabus. So the syllabus is essentially a contract between us that goes over all of the things that you will learn in the course. And here is where you can find the syllabus. You just click on this file. And then you can see the full syllabus. Lots of important information, ways to contact me, things about accommodation, resources, course information, format, materials that you'll need for the course and college policy, and requirements for the course, including how your grade will be calculated, and it ends with a course outline, which is a rough but pretty close outline of the material that we will cover in the course. It's really crucial that you read all of this document, and the next thing that you will want to do is to buy the textbook for the course. And there's an image of the cover of the textbook and the title. We will be reading Is Everyone Really Equal? The second edition by Sensoy and D'Angelo. You need to get this book as soon as possible. Work will be assigned this week from this textbook. You can get it at the bookstore, or you can feel free to get it through Amazon. You may get the ebook or the physical copy. That's up to you, but do make sure that you get the second edition of the book. So in addition to the syllabus and schedule, things like grading and feedback policy and introduction to me as your professor, resources, technology assistance, you can download Microsoft Office for free, so that gives you Word and PowerPoint and all those software applications. That is part of your tuition. You also see information about tutoring, netiquette, so proper ways to communicate and correspond with each other online, and more about the Blackboard app. After you read that Start Here module, so that's the module that I just clicked on, and notice it will track you as you go, you want to make sure that you do this Start Here acknowledgement assignment. So this essentially says, hey, I've read the syllabus, I understand what is expected of me and how I will be evaluated in the course. Make sure that you do this acknowledgement assessment. That is essentially your no-show assignment. If you don't complete that assignment, you can be dropped from the course for non-participation. So very important, not hard by any means. The next thing on the course is the Peace Studies Community Open Discussion Board. This is just an ungraded discussion board for students to post questions, comments, resources, anything of general interest to the class community, and that's going to stay open for the entirety of the course. So just an opportunity to share, ask a question, whatever it might be, but you're doing it in a public format so that everyone sees that question. Next is Module 1. So the course will be delivered to you in modules every single week. Module 1 is available now. So it includes an intro to the course, the discipline. Every module starts with an overview that kind of explains what's going on in that module, why it's important, etc. In this week's module, we have a discussion board where you will introduce yourself and make sure that you read and follow all of the directions and participate in that discussion board. There is a syllabus quiz, again, not meant to be difficult. Read the syllabus before you take the quiz. And then there is an introduction to Packback, and Packback is a website that does discussion boards and writing assignments that uses AI grading. So there will be a Packback assignment probably every week of the course. When you click on Packback, you want to make sure that you log in, that you're in the course, and I will send an email to you, or Packback will send an email to you with that information. So that's kind of the introduction to the course, Module 1. One of the things that I do want to say is it's really important that you make a connection with me. So if you have any trouble, please connect with me. In the syllabus and in the instructor information, there are many ways that you can connect with me. You can send me an email, you can send me a text, you can call my office phone, you can attend office hours, you can send me a message here from Blackboard. Many ways to contact me and connect with me. I really want to connect with you. I want to make sure that you succeed. So if there's something I can do to help, I will do it. Know that I'm really invested in your success in this course. I want everyone to do really well, and I'm really excited that we're going to be in this course together. So please don't hesitate to ask a question. Don't feel like a question is silly or stupid. Please reach out, connect with me. I'm here to help you, I'm here to support you, and I'm here to make sure that you succeed in the class. So thank you for joining Peace Studies with me, and I look forward to being in the class with you. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.